Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Hero Splendor Plus, a bike that continues to be the backbone of daily commuting in India and many other markets. Famous for its unbeatable reliability, excellent fuel efficiency, and low maintenance, the Splendor Plus enters 2025 with fresh updates while retaining its legendary practicality. The 2025 Hero Splendor Plus carries forward its iconic commuter-friendly design with subtle modern touches. The bike now features refreshed graphics, new dual-tone color options, and a sleek halogen headlamp that maintains its familiar look while adding a hint of premium appeal. Its simple, lightweight frame ensures easy handling, making it perfect for riders of all ages. Powering the new Splendor Plus is a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine equipped with Hero's advanced i3S, idle stop-start, technology. This trusted engine delivers smooth performance with excellent fuel economy, making it one of the most efficient motorcycles on the road. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or taking longer rural routes, the Splendor Plus offers consistent power and exceptional mileage that keeps running costs low. The 2025 Splendor Plus is built to provide maximum comfort for daily commuting. Its upright seating position, wide handlebar, and well-cushioned seat ensure fatigue-free rides even during long hours of travel. The telescopic front suspension and twin rear shocks offer a smooth ride over potholes and rough roads, while the bike's compact dimensions make maneuvering through traffic effortless. While staying true to its practical roots, Hero has added useful features to meet modern demands. The semi-digital instrument cluster displays essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip data. For safety, the Splendor Plus is equipped with a reliable braking setup and durable tubeless tires that provide confidence in all weather conditions. The 2025 Hero Splendor Plus remains the ultimate choice for riders who value dependability, low running costs, and everyday comfort. With its time-tested engine, updated design, and Hero's trusted durability, this bike continues to set the benchmark for commuter motorcycles. Stay tuned to Classic Bike Drive for more updates and detailed reviews on the latest two-wheelers arriving in 2025.